Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by lush green fields, there lived a little kitten named Miu. Miu had snowy white fur and bright blue eyes that sparkled like two precious gems. Miu was very playful and curious, always thinking of new games to explore the world around him. One morning, as the first rays of sunlight peeked through the window, Miu woke up, stretched his tiny body, and jumped down to the floor. Suddenly, Miu heard birds chirping cheerfully outside in the garden. His little ears perked up, and he quickly ran to the window. There, Miu saw a little sparrow hopping on a branch. "Oh, little birdie, come play with me," Miu meowed happily. But as soon as the bird heard the cat's voice, it flew up into the sky. Not giving up, Miu decided to climb the tree to find his new friend. But oh no! Miu managed to climb halfway when his paw slipped, and he tumbled down onto the soft, green grass. Miu didn't cry. He just rubbed his bottom and mumbled, "This tree is too slippery." Undeterred, Miu continued his adventure. On the way, he spotted a red ball of yarn rolling around in the yard. "Wow, a magic ball!" Miu exclaimed, then dashed after it. The yarn rolled from the front yard to the backyard, around the tree, and past a flower pot. Miu kept chasing it until the yarn wrapped around his paws, making him trip and tumble. Miu found himself tangled up in the red yarn, looking out with wide, confused eyes. Then he heard his little owner giggling. She picked Miu up gently, laughing. "Miu, are you a fluffy ball of yarn now?" By the afternoon, when the sun was softer, Miu felt curious about the pond behind the house. There, some golden fish were swimming happily. Miu carefully reached out a paw to touch the water, amazed as the fish kept darting back and forth. Suddenly, one fish jumped out of the water, surprising Miu so much that he lost his balance and fell into the pond with a big splash. The cool water soaked his fur, and Miu struggled a bit before finally climbing back onto the shore, looking like a wet cotton ball. The little owner appeared again, this time laughing even louder. "Miu, are you a fish or a cat?" Miu could only meow softly and snuggle into her lap. Finally, as the sun set and the sky turned orange, Miu curled up in a soft towel, resting in his owner's warm arms. As he drifted off to sleep, Miu dreamed that he could fly like the sparrow, chase giant balls of yarn, and swim gracefully like the golden fish. And so, Miu's playful day came to an end. He slept soundly, his tiny ears twitching now and then, as if dreaming of new colorful and joyful adventures.